This is a question where you might be tempted to write some sort of equation because that's what your teacher in school probably makes you do. But we're given enough information here that we don't really need to think of this in algebraic terms. Just kind of follow the story and use a calculator and your logic to understand what's exactly happening here. So we're starting with 467,000 kilograms of propellant. And then after 21 seconds, 362,105 kilograms of this propellant remained. And we're trying to figure out how much did it burn. So what happened during these 21 seconds? So first we should figure out how much propellant was burned during that time. So we're going to subtract the two big numbers. So 467,000 minus 362,105. Now, if this were on the real test, I probably wouldn't write that out. That seems like a lot of writing just for a simple subtraction. But I would go right to my calculator and I would get the subtraction to be 104,895. And I would write that down so that I have that number just in case I need to go back. I can kind of see if, did I do that right? Can I do that calculation again? Anything with checking my work. I'd like to have any calculations written down on my scrap paper. Notice too that is choice D. That is a trap. We don't want that. We want to know how much did it burn each second after launch, right? So this is 21 seconds worth of propellant. So all we need to do now is think, okay, if that's happening every second, or if that's the total and every second they're burning the same amount, we just need to divide this by 21. So going back to my calculator, divide by 21, and it's 4,995. And that is choice A, and that is the actual answer. So again, you could use an equation here, a linear equation, because they're kind of giving us a constant rate when they talk about on average, but we don't really need to do that. We should just be able to use arithmetic whenever possible because it is just much easier to understand and much less prone to error.